In Singapore, everybody knows Chateraise. You see it in shopping malls, you can buy affordable cakes and ice cream. But today I found something in Hokkaido, Japan that most Singaporeans probably don't know. Chateraise has a hotel. Not just a small cafe, not just a cake shop, an actual hotel in Hokkaido. So today I'm staying overnight at the Chateraise Hotel and find out, is this just a normal hotel with the Chateraise name? Or is this a paradise for Singaporeans who love Japanese cakes? Let's go check it out. Alright, here we are. This is the Chateraise Hotel. Honestly, it was a bit far from Sapporo city. It took about 45 minutes on their shuttle bus. But so far, I love it. The environment is so calm. It's surrounded by a river. And honestly, it kind of looks like a castle almost. It feels weird because in Singapore, Chateraise is just a cheap cake shop. But in Hokkaido, it's an entire building. We are inside. First impression, it feels very atas. We are looking at the map and check this out. There's a Baumkuchen Factory. And of course, a confectionery shop. So the first thing I want to check is how much Chateraise branding is here. Because if this is a normal hotel with just the Chateraise name, I'll be disappointed. I want cake, I want dessert. I want to feel like I'm sleeping inside Chateraise. Alright, I finished checking and check this out. Got free welcome suite. One per person, and I believe this is, yeah, it's a Chateraise butter cake. There's another one over here. And Hokkaido fermented butter Baumkuchen. That sounds amazing. Here you can get the amenity. Oh, and I think that's the confectionery shop. Alright, it's time for a room tour. So here we have an area where we can enjoy the cake we actually got. And over here we have a big table, which is already being occupied by baby things. And this is my Ray-Ban Meta that I want to show off someday. And here we have two single beds. Over here we have a TV, and below it is the hidden fridge. Free coffee is from Gateaux. And the view is actually quite interesting, you know? We have the view up the buffet area. And oh my gosh, I just noticed the elevator, it's a cake. That's when you know we are in Chateraise Hotel. How do you like your wifey so far?
It's quite normally.
Quite shocking because, you know, I paid like $200 per night. But trust me, it will get better. We have a massive pool area coming up. We have more Chateraise suites and other cool facilities that I never knew they had. Over here we have the closet, and over here is the humongous toilet. This is quite amazing for Japanese standards. It's really huge. We have the sink and we have everything equipped. The Japanese toilet with bidet function. And check out the bathroom. We have a huge bathtub, shower, and I believe that is the TV. It's not for you lah. Hey, don't take my cake. Okay, I thought it was a perfect timing to taste test the cake, but it's dangerous with a baby, huh? Again, these are free. Looks tasty. I think it's so interesting because this is a hotel run by Chateraise. Imagine Bungawan Solo opening a hotel in Hokkaido. Wait, what's a area in Singapore equivalent to Hokkaido? Snow City. Jurong. You will want to see that, right? So same feeling. Alright, now let's explore the rest of the hotel. Wow, check this out. I've never seen something like this. There's like a place where you can admire the view at the elevator hall. Oh, really not bad, huh? Alright, we're at level 1, and check this out. It's a kids reading corner, and there's a kids playground as well, and that's a buffet, so it's connected. So while the adults are destroying the buffet, you can let the kids just roam around freely. And here you can see the staff making Chateraise sweets. I want to show you guys this. So this is a super old hotel, like at least 50 years old. And these old hotels in Japan, they always have something like this. Unfortunately, the door is now open, but it's basically a massive dining space for like tour groups, and old hotels in Japan tend to have this. And here we have the hotel convenience store. If you don't want to pay for the expensive buffet, you can buy cheap stuff here. Just in case you need a master ball, you can get it here. Plenty of Hokkaido souvenirs as well. And over here, we have an entire case dedicated to Chateraise ice cream. Which one's your favorite, wifey? You can choose anything. Oh, how about this? This looks interesting, huh? Hokkaido melon ice cream. So I got it for 135 yen, incredibly affordable. We need this in Singapore. So melony, so crispy with the ice, very nice. And over here, wow, it's massive. This kind of reminds me of Las Vegas. This is the buffet area, but unfortunately, baby is, yeah, she's sleepy, so I think we'll enjoy tomorrow. And at B1, we have the underground food street. But I don't know, it kind of feels terrifying to go down. It's very dark. If this is Pokemon, I wouldn't be surprised to find Mewtwo down there. Hey, should I go buy that Master Ball at the souvenir shop? I bought it. Let's go inside and catch Mewtwo. We are here and it's terrifying. Like, why is it so dark there? What's happening? But it seems like there are about 5 restaurants. Oh, it's starting to get bright. Oh, too bad. Restaurant number 1 closed. But how about the rest? Restaurant 2 closed. Restaurant 3 closed. Restaurant number 4 closed, and the final restaurant closed. What's happening to this hotel? But again, this is a very old hotel, and last time, you know, it was the bubble era. Everybody felt like they were rich, so they built a humongous hotel with a humongous underground city. And fast forward 50 years plus, it's like this. But I mean, it's not empty though. I mean, a lot of people eating at the buffet. But unfortunately, no restaurant at B1 and no Mewtwo. Alright, here's the rest of the facilities. There's a fitness center. Honestly, I think a lot of local elderlies, not just hotel guests. And there's also a place where you can rest. And at level 3, there's hot spring and restaurant. This hotel is really massive. Alright, onsen time. That was one of the largest public baths I've ever been to in the whole of Japan. But I could feel it's kind of old, but there is an outdoor onsen area. There are like 5 indoor baths. There are quite a lot of foreigners, so you don't have to be scared. I have came outside and check out this place. We have beautiful flowers, a photo spot, and the gigantic water slider. And oh, check it out. The thing is a cathedral design. Did you know some Japanese get married in a fake cathedral with fake priests? It's one of the dark sides of Japan. Yes, we are weird. And over here, we have probably the most epic playground for kids. I mean, there's a hippo, a whale, don't know what that is. Cool, but it feels really out of place somehow. I thought I teleported to a random neighborhood playground. Maybe place some confectionery objects instead of these random animals. Nothing much at level 3, but I think locals can get married here. And just a bunch of banquet halls. Oh, wow, they even lend toys for your kids. Very kid-friendly hotel, huh? Alright, good morning. We had a good rest. Let's hit the breakfast buffet. Yes, we're inside the lift that looks like a cake. Alright, let me show you what a 2,900 yen buffet at Chateraise Hotel gets you. Immediately, we are greeted with Chateraise sweets. I mean, expected, but let's see what they have. They have pudding, they have cream pudding, they have choux cream, Baumkuchen, chocolate cake, sponge cake, yogurt. That's it. Honestly, slightly disappointed, but they do have all-you-can-take Chateraise ice cream. And this is what they have. Honestly, it feels like the low-tier Chateraise ice cream options. But I'm not complaining because most people are not here for the sweets. I think they are here for the savory items. Here we have some bread, a salad bar. Here we have Japanese dish. We even got scallop and mentaiko. I hear Singaporeans screaming enjoy. Here we have some Hokkaido items as well. Jingisukan, it's lamb meat. Hokkaido fish, sausage, bacon. Here you can even make your own ochazuke. And this is the live station, so they'll cook omelette and beef Alright, so this is everything I got. I made my own ochazuke with seafood. Looks very yummy, honestly. And a mountain of salad, beef steak, poke fish, and tuna. And finally, raw egg. I'm gonna start out from the ochazuke. Cheers. Sorry, my baby loves it when I do that. The dashi, the stock, really good, really solid ochazuke. But I'm having like a reverse culture shock. Like, look at how small the plates are. Like, I feel like they don't want you to take too much, or maybe the Japanese don't eat too much. Anyways, next, the beef. Wow, that's tough. The flavor is not too bad though. The fish? This is the minced tuna. Wow, I think that's the nicest. As for the sweets, I got everything. Taste of Chateraise. I think my favorite is the chocolate cake. Now, is it worth 2,900 yen per person, which is roughly 25 Singapore dollars? If you eat like 20 cakes, yeah, you can cover the cost. We feel like it's slightly pricey for the quality, but we also like the child play corner over there. My baby was able to roam freely, and Chateraise cake, always nice, right? All right, let's hit the next activity. And check it out, they even provide baby cot. Never seen this at a restaurant. Very baby friendly. Oh guys, check it out. I think that's a Baumkuchen Factory inside a hotel. Uncle making fresh Baumkuchen. Wow, looks delicious. Some are even rolling over here. So that's the hotel. If you walk, there's actually a different building. It's called Fairy Fountain. Oh, and I see a Chateraise shop. It says pool and hot spring, so I guess this is where we can enjoy later. See, we have the pool, bath, food court, fitness studio, Chateraise shop. Wow, this is a massive Chateraise shop. Wow, they have croissant with some uncle, apple pie, all of their iconic cakes. They even have these red bean confectionaries, even wines. Fun fact, Chateraise actually does wine business as well, so that's their in-house wine. What, they even have frozen pizza with the Chateraise brand. Plenty of ice creams as well.
Hey, the cake's like half price of SG leh.
They even have smoked cheese. Ayo. This says super thick raw cream for only 180. Look at this cake, so beautiful. Look at this cake too, beautiful, and only what, 4 Singapore dollars? Confirm Singaporean will go crazy. Alright, so everything here is only 1,600 yen, which is like what, 14 Singapore dollars? Insanely affordable. And look at how beautiful the peach cheese tart is. Oh, the peach looks so juicy. This is insane. The cheese is so flavorful, and the peach, whoa. It's insane because, you know, Chateraise, they are known for good cakes, but they're usually just, you know, cheap good cakes, right? But this tastes super high-end while it only being, what, like 5 Singapore dollars. Singapore, this will cost what, like double, at least double. As for the wine, unfortunately, I don't have the opener, so I'll just try the cheese. Super delicious. And because this is part of the hotel, you can buy as much as you want and eat infinitely in your room. But of course, after eating so much, we must burn some calories. Let's check out the pool. And the climax of the hotel was actually the pool. It is humongous, and we love the children pool area. Our baby got to enjoy pool for the first time, and it's one of the most important memories we will cherish. Near the end, she was actually paddling with her feet. They also had sliders and even a warm pool area. Sure, the vibe is 1990s, but nevertheless, really memorable experience. And after burning calories, we of course had to buy some Chateraise cake. My wife got greedy and she ordered quite a lot. Alright, we came to food court to eat lunch. It's pretty neat, you know, it's a cave theme. There's a tatami area and kids play area. Wow, this is so fun. And I got the meat udon for 1,300 yen. So far, nothing to do with Chateraise, but let's try their udon. Cheers! It's not something fantastic, but it's so comforting. Delicious. I love how there's also meat too. So that was our stay at the Chateraise Hotel in Sapporo. So would I recommend this to tourists? I'm not really sure because like it's quite uru, it's quite secluded, so you won't have opportunity to sightsee Sapporo. Like most likely you'll be stuck here. But I mean, if you love the cakes from Chateraise, why not? It's a quite unique experience. It's all you can eat at the buffet. And the shop has huge variety. And of course the pool. That's one of the most memorable experiences we had as a family. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe and see you guys again in the next video. 10分lands out. Yeah, goodbye.